Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for watching this video today. So today's video is going to be a mascara review. Now as you can see, I've already done my full face of makeup. I really like this makeup look, so it might go before this video or after this one, I'm not sure. So I have already done a full face of makeup, but the only thing that I haven't done is applied mascara, because I've been meaning to test and talk about this mascara as a review on my YouTube channel. So the mascara which I'm going to review is from Blue Heaven. It is one of their recent launches. It is called the Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara Define Long Lashes. So this is how the packaging looks like. So I will first do a demo and stuff and show you whether it's worth it or not. For that you'll have to keep watching my video, but before you do that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also ring the bell notification and select all, so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you every single time. So without wasting further time, let's get started with the review. Okay friends, I'm going to start with the review right away. So this is one of my most recent purchases. I have purchased a lot of products, so expect a haul video coming soon just before Christmas. I have purchased quite a few products and this is one of those. Like I mentioned, this is called Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara Define Long Lashes up to 12 hours stay, and this is how the packaging it comes in, and your everything is mentioned at the back. Now the cost of this mascara, like always, is very affordable. It's only 150 rupees and you have 30 months of shelf life. Matlab, I think 2.5 years. That's a pretty long time for somebody to use a mascara. I'm somebody who do not buys a lot of mascara. I think the last one I purchased was again from Blue Heaven, and I have been using that. And this is my second one, and I really got impressed by what it was saying, like extreme length mascara. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off from that packaging to show you how the bullet looks like. And before I do that, I'll just go through what is mentioned out here. It is said that Blue Heaven's Easy Glide applicator is especially created to separate each lash as you apply a coat. Its conical tip and wide bottom helps to separate each lash and adds length and fullness. So basically they are saying it's a lengthening mascara, and it also has a special tip. Now it says use Blue Heaven eye primer before applying the mascara for fuller effect, and use their kajal. So they're basically trying to promote the other products as well. And it says it comes off easily with any makeup remover. Now the thing that I always look out for in a kajal is something that gives me volume as well as curl. Now if you look closely, like from your screen from where you're watching me, can you even spot that I have eyelashes? So that is one major issue. Unless I curl my lashes or apply mascara, it's not visible. So I'll come a little bit closer to show you that I am blessed with good eyelashes. But can you see that they are quite long, but they are all droopy, like going downwards? So I definitely need to use an eyelash color, and all I've always been advocating this in my every single video. So मैं हमेशा eyelash color use करती हूँ. It's a must. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि use करने से आपके eyelashes कम हो जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Invest in a good one. I've been using this one for years. It's from the brand Divo. I think Calabar has one, then your Vega has one, so you can go for whichever you find comfortable. So this is the one I've been using. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo the product first. Before that, I'll just quickly show you how the tube looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. In fact, I like the packaging. It's simple and sleek, and I'm just going to show you the mascara wand. Now it does mention here the expiry date, so which is a good thing. नहीं तो कभी कभी packaging अगर आप फेंक दो तो पता नहीं चलता है what is the expiry date. So this is how the wand looks like. I hope you can make out. So the conical shape, like they have been talking about. And I honestly like this type of bristles because I feel that it will coat the eyelashes really well, and it does not have any bad smell. मतलब mascara में आप क्या smell ढूंढोगे? So I think this is how it looks like. And what I'm going to do is, one side of my eye I'm going to use an eyelash color, and one side of my eye I'm just going to simply apply it. So to the left side of my eyelid, I mean my eyelashes, I'm not going to use what do you call eyelash color, and I'm brought the camera a little close so that it's more visible. तो ये जो मस्कारा है, पहली बात आप उसको ऐसा पंप ना करें, because air gets accumulated inside and it dries up faster. So I'm simply going to pull it out of the tube, and I'm just going to take off some of the excess part of it, and I'm going to apply towards on this left hand side, and we'll see what happens. So I'm applying a generous amount, as you can see, and yes, it's kind of helping me to see my lashes back again. Okay, now I feel that much is enough. I do not apply like too many coats. I would say I applied 2 coats out here. and this is what you get if you do not use an eyelash color. Now on the other side I'm going to use my eyelash color, and for that I'm going to look into the mirror, and I'm simply going to do this pulsating motion for 10 seconds. Okay, can you see that? Like, just curling my lashes has given that lift, and my eyelashes look like wow wow boom. I look really awake right now. So now to enhance it further, we are going to go back to that mascara, and I am simply going to apply it on my eyelashes. Okay, so it is separating each lash, I would say. It's not clumping, which is a good part, and it is looking pretty natural. So yeah, I really like it so far. I'm also going to apply it a little bit on my lower lash line and even this side. And don't worry, if there's any smudge, you can take it off once it dries up. So I would say the formula is not very wet and it's not very dry either. It's somewhere in between. So can you see the difference between this side and this side? Now what I will do is I'll wait for it to dry and I'll come right back. Okay friends, so I'm back, and this is how my eyelashes look like. As you have seen before, I went and I thought I'll wait till it dries out. This side I have not used an eyelash color, this side I have. There is definitely a difference between this side, this eye and this eye. So like I said, definitely you must use an eyelash color. So let's see what claims they make at this point. It says it's quick dry. I will not say like instantly dry, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but it is definitely not watery like the previous version which I had reviewed, which was lash twist up curling mascara something. So this is much better than that. It says it's waterproof. Well, yes, it is waterproof, and it says no clumping. Definitely कहीं पे आपको clumping दिख रहा है. I cannot see any clumping, so I'm really happy with that. And yes, it also feels very lightweight. So I would say ये मस्कारा काफ़ी अच्छा है and ये everyday use के लिए perfect है. Now see this side of my eyelashes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a curler. So can you see that? So this is a trick I also use after applying mascara. Once it dries up, I do this and I apply one more coat in case, like, I'm going for a wedding and I want it to last longer. So you can try this tip as well. Okay, so I'm happy with how my eyelashes are looking, and this is how they look like. Okay, so if I have to give you my final thoughts, I would say this mascara is super affordable. It claims to be lightweight, which it is. It is waterproof. Also, it kind of lengthens your lashes, but not to that effect. Also, it does not curl your lashes. थोड़ा बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा if you do not use an eyelash color. But in my opinion and my recommendation, you must use an eyelash color. So it's not voluminizing, but it gives you a decent length. Also, it does not curl your lashes. Like ये curling mascara बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And I think it's perfect for everyday use, or if you're somebody who does not like to invest in expensive mascaras, you can definitely go for this one. Like 150 रुपये में आपको mascara मिल रहा है, which is like a big thing because nowadays makeup is really expensive. So if you're not fussy, if you're looking for an everyday mascara, and you can definitely go for this. And I believe I bought this for like less than 100 because always there is a sale on Purple, on Nykaa, or you can even purchase it from Amazon, or there are many websites which are selling like Blue Heaven products. I saw that I think Big Basket also sells Blue Heaven products. So from wherever feasible you can buy it. I bought it from Purple. I got like 40% discount, so I was really happy with that. So overall, if I have to say that how this mascara is, I would say I would highly recommend it. मतलब ये प्राइस के लिए इससे बेटर और क्या मिल सकता है. I wouldn't say this is the best, but yes, for everyday use this is absolutely perfect. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. That was my short review of the Blue Heaven Extreme Length Mascara. I really like this mascara and it kind of surprised me. If you're wearing nothing as makeup, even simply you want to apply this mascara by curling your lashes, I'm telling you it will make a hell lot of difference and it will open up your eyes. Because I have droopy lashes, this is a constant problem for me. I definitely need to use an eyelash color, and I would recommend that as well. So I hope this review was helpful to all those watching. If you found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it on your social media. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave your comments, ideas, suggestions in the comment section down below. Also do not forget to check the description box. I will provide a link from where you can purchase this mascara. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe and come back to my channel. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.